Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be decoupaging this recycled protein powder jar. I'll be covering it with this napkin and I'll be placing this writing here on the top. So let's get started. So the first thing I have to do is prepare the cover. So I'm going to paint it with some chalk paint and I'm going to try to do it quite thick here in the middle so that I will cover as best as I can the embossed logo there. Okay, so while the cover is drying, I'm going to apply the decoupage glue. I've positioned the napkin in place here. And what I'm going to do is from the underside, now that I've positioned that in place there, I'm going to just apply the glue underneath very quickly here. And as I'm working with this large surface, I'm going to do it in parts. So I'm going to start off with this part here, making sure to pull on it just a little bit to give it some tension, and then smooth it like so. And again, the edge here I'm not going to do just yet until I get to the point where the edges meet. As I'm not working with a flat surface, I'm going to just give a few snips here to the edge so that it will help it to lay flatter when I get to this part. Do the same with the top. Okay, so now we'll take our glue and from the center upward, so as I'm working with such a large area, I'm going to start smoothing it with my plastic wrap here. Very, very gently because this paper is very, very delicate. Already I have some smudging there.